Hello, guys. A very good evening to all of you. Welcome back. So, welcome to Textbook Regulatory Bodies. So, guys, in this particular session, we are going to talk about the decision making curriculum for your NABARD grade A examination, right? So, in this particular session, we will be discussing the PYQs from your 2024 examination. So, guys, see, like when it comes to decision making, it's a very simple unit. You do not have to give dedicated time to this particular one. You just allot 3 to 4 hours, and with 3 to 4 hours itself, you can complete the entire curriculum. It is something which is linked with your मैनेजमेंट सब्जेक्ट. तो अगर आप लोगों ने मैनेजमेंट सब्जेक्ट पढ़ा है, बिलीव मी 90% आप वैसे ही करेक्ट आंसर कर लेंगे. ठीक है. So now in this particular session, I'll show you like what type of question they have been asked in our previous examination. तो किस तरीके से क्वेश्चन फ्रेमिंग होती है और किस तरीके से वो क्वेश्चन आपको पूछते हैं. एंड आफ्टर दैट यू विल बिलीव इन दैट पर्टिकुलर वन की दिस इज समथिंग which with the efforts of 2 or 3 hours you will be able to achieve 100% marks आपका, right? So let's start the discussion with very first question on your screen. So first we will be discussing the question, then we'll come to the strategy also. So top management or top managers take which type of decision team? So when it comes to decision making, we have three type of decision majorly. One is strategic decisions, another one is your tactical decision, third one is your operational decision. Okay, so top management which generally involve in strategic decision making. Okay, so top management means mostly the board of directors of an organization. ठीक है. तो जैसे हमें कौन सा नया प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च करना है, कौन से नए मार्केट को एक्सप्लोर करना है, सो दीज आर द एरियाज या दैट इज जनरली कम्स अंडर द स्ट्रेटेजिक डिसीजन मेकिंग, राइट. इनको कैसे अचीव करना है, व्हाट विल बी द रोड मैप, दैट इज आपका डन बाय मिडिल मैनेजमेंट, टेक्निकल मैनेजमेंट. ऑपरेशनल मैनेजर्स, लाइन मैनेजर्स, basically they generally handle the day to day activities आपका, so that is your operational management. ठीक है. तो what will be your correct answer आपका? Your answer will be strategic and complex decisions. ठीक है. तो very simple, like अगर आप मैनेजमेंट भी पढ़ेंगे तो वहां पे प्लानिंग, व्हेन यू विल कम टू द मैनेजमेंट फंक्शन. ठीक है. तो जैसे अगर आप लोगों ने कभी पढ़ा भी होगा. ठीक है. सो मैनेजमेंट फंक्शन के अंदर आपका एक टॉपिक होता है प्लानिंग. प्लानिंग के अंदर आपका ये सारी चीजें जो आपकी रहती है. ठीक है. और यहाँ से भी बेसिक आपका, अगर आप थोड़ा सा भी लॉजिकल जाते हैं और एक बार आप स्टडी कर लेते हैं डिसीजन मेकिंग के पूरे करिकुलम को, सो आप आसानी से अपना डिसीजन, मतलब राइट आंसर का डिसीजन ले पाएंगे. ठीक है. तो व्हेन इट कम्स टू आपका टॉप मैनेजमेंट, सो दे जनरली for the long term directions, ठीक है, of the organization, and the decision are purely aligned with the mission and vision statement of that particular organization. Next question. These all are from your 2024 examination. So decision to enter into a new market despite being profitable in the current market is an example of which type of decision. ठीक है. तो आप अपने existing market में you are doing good and you are profitable also. Now you want to enter into a new market, right? It can be आपका like let's say if you are running your business in a particular region, now you want to go आपका all over India or beyond India also. ठीक है. तो it is a case of आपका अपॉर्चुनिटी डिसीजन. तो ये किस में हम इसको आपको कैटेगराइज करेंगे? दिस विल बी पार्ट ऑफ अपॉर्चुनिटी. बेसिकली वी आर एक्सप्लोरिंग द न्यू अपॉर्चुनिटीज इन द मार्केट. तो और कहाँ कहाँ पे हम अपने बिजनेस को एक्सपेंड कर सकते हैं, so that we can serve to maximum customers. Similarly, we can increase the reach and profit for the business itself, right? So that is the case. So that's why option 5, opportunity decisions are taken when a company see potential for a future growth even when the current situation is profitable. So this is आपका opportunity. Next one. Which of the following is a quality of a leader with a high degree of emotional intelligence? ठीक है. So quality of a leader basically those who influence the team members कि जो भी आपके टास्क या एक्टिविटीज हैं वो आपका अच्छे से हो पाए, एंड टू कीप द एम्प्लॉय मोरल हाई. ठीक है. सो बेसिकली दे लाइक कहीं ना कहीं वो सभी लोग आपका मोटिवेटेड रहें, प्रॉपर कोऑर्डिनेशन आपका रहे उन सब चीजों में. ठीक है. तो नाउ व्हेन इट कम्स टू दिस वन आपका पॉइंट आउट द मिस्टेक ऑफ एम्प्लॉयज. नो, अंडरस्टैंड बोथ देयर ओन इमोशन एंड आपका दोज ऑफ अदर्स. 100% इट कैन बी. ठीक है. सो अभी तक delegate task, this is आपका delegation of task is managerial job, but it should be with considering the team dynamics. ठीक है. Focus solely on achieving targets without considering the team well-beings. Maintain a strict impersonal no. ठीक है. So there must be आपका interpersonal relationship if you want to achieve आपका high coordination, high productivity from your people. तो क्या होगा correct answer आपका? Understanding both their own emotion and आपका means you have to show the sympathy and empathy with your people आपका, right? So that is the case. So option B. Next one. Identify the bias means basically it is kind of like when we make decisions, so we assume something. Okay, so that make like we can say based on like these biases, they generally lead to a आपका wrong perception. So the biases in decision making where the past investment heavily influence the current investment, तो ये किस में आएगा आपका? It will come under the sunk. ठीक है, तो sunk cost fallacy it is आपका. ठीक है, confirmation bias is like I have done things in past, so it will work in future also. ठीक है, that kind of things. Anchoring based on a piece of information, we are assuming there is thing. Overconfidence, you all know. ठीक है, and status quo आपका as it is. Things will never change. It will remain same. So what will be your correct answer? Sunk cost of fallacy occur when individual continue a decision path due to past investment, even when the irrational when it is irrational to do so. ठीक है, so confirmation bias आपका tendency to seek out information that support the existing belief. एंकरिंग बायस आपका, ठीक है, रिलायंस ऑन दी फर्स्ट पीस ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन, जैसे न्यूज हेडलाइन को देख करके हम अपना पूरा कहानी बना लेते हैं, या मूवी ट्रेलर को देख करके पूरी मूवी के बारे में हम डिसाइड कर लेते हैं. ओवर कॉन्फिडेंस एंड स्टेटस क्यू इन्वॉल्व रेसिस्टिंग चेंज एंड आपका प्रीफरिंग एग्जिस्टिंग कंडीशंस. नेक्स्ट वन. Which of the following model of decision making follow rule of thumb आता है किसमें आपका? Administrative man theory. Rule of thumb is like basically, let's say you have done something and you have a mindset कि this thing will always work. As a owner or as a proprietor, you are telling people to do job in the same manner, right? So that is आपका administrative man model. So that is generally part of this particular one. So administrative man model suggests that decision makers settle for a solution that is good enough, rather than optionals. They are not finding out the alternates due to time and information constraint. It can be a reason also. Next one. Which of the following is the main role of manager? मैनेजर का रोल क्या होता है ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस में? ठीक है, टू इंक्रीज द वर्कलोड नहीं, सो टू मेक थिंग कॉम्प्लेक्स, ये भी नहीं. देखो इतने आसान है क्वेश्चन आपका. टू डेलीगेट द टास्क ऑफ द एम्प्लॉइज, हाँ ये होता है. ठीक है, देन आपका टू मेंटेन ऑल नेसेसरी रिकॉर्ड, नो. टू लर्न फ्रॉम द प्रीवियस मिस्टेक आपका. So managerial role, if you go for the managerial role, so this will fit best. आपका 3 should be right answer. Yes. So the main role of manager is to delegate tasks effectively, to ensure that work is distributed based on the skills and availability of team members. So that is the like primary functions आपका if you talk about the managerial role out of the given options, right? Otherwise, like we all know, planning, organizing, staffing, directing, controlling, all these are the managerial role आपका. ठीक है, which of the following is an example of programmed decision making? Programmed decision making is something where we are basically creating a new structure. Like let's say end-to-end solution. Let's say if I have to manufacture this marker for the very first time, so what are the requirement and how it can be user friendly and how it can solve that particular problem in a maximum way. So that is something where we are developing something new, right? Approving employee leave request on company policy. It is acha, okay, sorry, I took it in a wrong way आपका. ठीक है, so when it comes to program, it is which of the following is an example of program decision making, which is आपका routine job. ठीक है, routine job of a manager. I just got it. ठीक है, so it is leave request. Developing a new market, this is something आपका, this is not a program decision making. ठीक है, deciding आपका to enter into a new strategic, this is also handling customer complaints about defective. This is also, but we have, if you compare between these two, this is something आपका that will be a very less numbers. Again, designing a new product for a specific target, no. Option A should be right answer for this particular. Yes, sir. So program decision are the routine, repetitive and follow predefined procedures or rule आपका, ठीक है. So why not that defective आपका, because that defect may be something else, but this is something आपका when it comes to program, तो जहाँ पे जो routine works, जो existing process या उनके ऊपर काम कर रहा होगा, ठीक है. Next one, drafting a school curriculum, which type of decision making, ठीक है. So when it comes to आपका drafting a school curriculum, yes, it is a policy. So yes, so what will be your correct answer? It is comes under the policy decision making, right? So policy decision making are high level choices that guide long term strategy vision. Drafting a school curriculum will generally fall under this particular category. Next one, identify the trait of manager who are unable to make decision. ठीक है, कुछ मैनेजर ऐसे होते हैं जो खासकर किसी भी कंटिजेंसी में आपका डिसीजन नहीं बना पा रहे हैं, ठीक है, नहीं ले पा रहे हैं, ठीक है, क्या करना चाहिए. सो एंड प्रोक्रेस्टिनेट द फाइनल डिसीजन, ठीक है, जो फाइनल डिसीजन होना चाहिए उसको वो टालते जा रहे हैं, ठीक है, दैट इज द केस. तो इनडिसिसिवनेस, तो आपका ऑप्शन 5 विल बी राइट आंसर फॉर दिस पर्टिकुलर वन, राइट. सो आई होप दिस इज ऑल्सो क्लियर. तो ये हमारा these were the questions which were part of our NABARD grade A. Your decision making, very simple. I hope everybody like out of 10, मतलब आप 8 7 8 तो मेरे हिसाब से हर कैंडिडेट वैसे ही अचीव कर लेता है, ठीक है. एंड यू नीड ओनली 2-3 hours study. Comprehensive study means you have to start and you have to end in a single sitting, right? So that we will be doing in classes also, while in our live classes, while we start NABARD classes live. So I'll be coming up with 2 or 3 session of 2 or 3 hours, and I'll make sure you will get everything so that you can make these kind of choices or decision around these one. Okay? So if you are I hope you get these particular things clearly, and I hope you get a fair idea कि what type of question you guys are going to face in your upcoming examination in the category आपका decision making. ठीक है? So the primary goal of this video is to help you out what type of questions you guys are going to face in your real examination, right? So if you still having some doubt, please do mention into the comment section. I'll help you out with those particular one. Apart from that, if you like we have already started our NABARD grade A crash course for 25 as well. So if you want आपका comprehensive study or live classes, doubt, mock tests and everything, so you can better you should go for your regulatory body super pack, because this will include other courses. Like soon you will see the IRDA examination, RBI is already going on, SEBI is already going on, so you can explore these particular batches also. All right guys, so this is it from my side. Thank you for joining this session, thank you for watching this session. I'll see you soon in the classes. So bye bye, take care all, have a nice day. Thank you.